system, this is Cable News Network.
This is Prime News. Reporting in Atlanta, Lou Dobbs. Head on the anchor desk in Washington, Bernard Shaw.
Good evening. I'm Lou Dobbs.
We interrupt normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. This station has interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency broadcast system. During this emergency, some stations will stay on the air to broadcast further details. This is the Cable News Network. We will continue to broadcast for the Atlanta area. If you are not in this area, please tune to stations broadcasting news for your area. The President will make a statement shortly. Please stand by.
My fellow Americans, yesterday the Soviet Union launched an attack against West Germany. The size of the attack has pushed our troops back to defensive positions along the border, therefore putting a threat on other European countries, and poses a threat to the entire Western world. As a final step and with a heavy heart, I have authorized the use of tactical nuclear weapons against Warsaw Pact forces in West Germany. As of now, we are the only country in NATO to resort to such measures. We urge other NATO countries to authorize nuclear strikes. While many of you will be frightened, this is a necessary action to protect the Western world. As such, we must now prepare for a nuclear strike against the United States. After I am done speaking, the Federal Emergency Management Agency will broadcast information on how to prepare. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.
We live in a world of tension and conflict. And peace, even where it does exist, does so without guarantees for tomorrow. We must therefore face the hard reality that someday a nuclear attack against the United States could occur. And equally important, we must also realize that horrifying as that prospect may seem, destructive as such an attack might be, we can survive. It would not mean the end of the world, the end of our nation. And you can greatly improve your own chances of survival if you remember these facts about protection in the nuclear age.